Even though we've gone over the projection model together, there is definitely room for you to make your own adjustments based on your own insights. If you remember back to a previous section, I talked about how we applied various weighted numbers for each of the stats. For simplicity, I kept everything equal to 1, but this is where you can come in and begin to fine-tune your model to see if you improve performance by changing the weights. So here I had everything equal to 1 depending on the stat, but all you have to do is modify these numbers, rerun your player comparison tool function, and then if you run the projections, you should get updated projected stats. From there, you can add it to the root mean squared error function to see if it gets closer or farther from what you want. Another variable we could change that should have a drastic difference on the output as far as calculating the player similarities is using a different base data frame. For instance, we used our player traditional per game data and then normalized it, but you could use the per 36 minute stats or even the per 100 possession stats. The NBA provides both of these, and I have the files for each included in the CSV folder. All you would do is basically read in a different base data frame, and then you could run through the same examples to find the similar players. Now, a lot of this we tried to account for with the normalization, but in essence, if you use per 36 or per 100 possessions, you should find a different batch of similar players, which then, when you look at their following season projections, should adjust our own projections.